There's a lot of noise out there on YouTube, internet, affiliate marketing. Today, I'm going to tell you how you can use affiliate marketing to make a buck or two on your YouTube channel, even if you have 0 subscribers. Many of you may be wondering, what is affiliate marketing? Well, in its most basic sense, it is referring or selling products or services that another business created and you collect a commission. There are affiliate programs for literally every niche you could possibly imagine. So whatever you do on your channel, it should be easy to find products and services that add value to the folks in your audience. And adding value to the folks in your audience is what affiliate marketing is really all about. There are many structures to the commissions that get paid out to you. I'm going to cover a few of these as we talk about the different types of programs. Probably the best known affiliate program out there is Amazon. With Amazon, you make a commission based on a percentage of sales that you get from links you put in your description. In order to be an effective Amazon affiliate, it is really best to do a little bit of research. Seek out products in your niche and discover what people are actually searching for regularly. For example, if you are in the hiking niche, look at the products you actually own and go out there and look at videos and reviews of those particular products. Make sure you use a lot of different search terms related to the gear and find out which ones have the highest search volume. You can use the free bits of TubeBuddy or vidIQ to see the volume of these search terms to determine which one will work the best for you. Once you determine the best products to do a review on based on search volume, you want to create a video, and you want to make sure that you use those keywords in your title, your tags, and your description. Now, these sorts of videos are good because people come to review videos to find out if it's something they want to buy. They're already in a buying state of mind. So you want to make sure that you put a call to action in the video, letting the folks know that they can actually check out this item on Amazon by clicking the link in the description. It's really that simple. The next affiliate I'm going to talk about are YouTube related services. These are pretty easy to get involved with. Now, YouTube related services are products that are created to help YouTubers be better YouTubers and create better content. Most of these affiliate programs offer a recurring commission, which basically means that every month the person you referred remains a customer, you get a small commission. This is a great way to slowly build a passive income on YouTube. Now, the programs I'm referring to are Talentsy, vidIQ, and TubeBuddy. Those are the 3 I'm most familiar with. Now, these affiliate programs are super easy to get involved with. Chances are you already use TubeBuddy, vidIQ, or maybe even Talentsy. You sign up for the free trial, you get your affiliate link. Check out the program a little bit and maybe do a video here and there about each feature that the product offers. As usual, be sure to include a call to action at the end of your video reminding folks that there's a link in the description. There are other affiliate programs that feed the entrepreneurial spirit that lives in just about every YouTuber and offer much stronger recurring commission structures. The best I've found is Builderall. Builderall is a complete internet marketing platform that will enable entrepreneurs to sell anything from physical products to software, consulting, or even online courses. With Builderall, you can market your own informational products or courses, or you can become an affiliate and just market the platform. Now, there are no get-rich-quick solutions here. In fact, I don't believe those actually exist. Any one of these programs or a combination of all of them can help you grow a steady monthly income that over time can grow into thousands of dollars a month, or even thousands of dollars a day. If you do the work and the research and create valuable content for your viewers, you'll be able to create a relatively good monthly income in a very short period of time. The most important tip that I can give you is that any sort of internet marketing is not easy. In fact, it's pretty hard. Just like growing an audience on YouTube, it takes time to gain footing and learn what works and what doesn't. Sometimes you just got to get out of your comfort zone. I'll tell you what though, the harder you work, the faster you will grow and the sooner you'll be enjoying a recurring monthly income that you created. First and foremost, you just have to take action. If you're interested in joining my team on the 1 Million Entrepreneur Challenger on Builderall with, in my opinion, the best affiliate commission structure that you can find, I include special training, direct access to me, as well as team calls. So if you ever wanted to learn or become an affiliate marketer, this will cut your learning curve in half. It gives you access to a mentor and all the tools that you will need to get off the ground quick and be successful. The best part is it costs nothing, and the program is designed for you to be making money before you ever pay a dime for the services. The link is in the description, as well as links to the other programs I talked about here: Talentsy, vidIQ, TubeBuddy, and Amazon. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments, or you can contact me at contact@vidcontentmarketing.com. If affiliate marketing, channel growth, or just making a buck or two on YouTube is something you're interested in, consider elevating your strategy and subscribe to the channel and ring that bell so you know when I have new content that comes out. I am Feyrer Jr. and this is Video Content Marketing. Be good to your fellow YouTubers, my friends. What goes around comes around. Market like a boss. VCM out of here.